Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cuda Education. I just wanted to do a quick addition to the previous video where we talked about the command buffer and we present the drawable and commit. So I've been messing around with this piece of code right here, and one thing I do notice is, for example, when I run my application. So let's run the application. We're going to get our blue background clear color screen, right? Which is fine and dandy. But then when we when we take out the present drawable, right, which would basically, present all the work that we have done and all the things that we have done in our instructions, right? But we still commit the command buffer, but we take out present the drawable. What we'll get is basically the blank application. So we would get a blank application. It still runs, it doesn't crash, and we have our blank application, right? Now the thing is, if we keep the present thing, but then we don't commit, now we get into problems. So we will have, we'll have this thing right here, as you could see with the mouse, and that is because we didn't commit the command buffer, right? However, if we take out the present drawable, but we keep the commit, and then we run our application, we will get our window, right? And it doesn't hang or anything. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of perspective on this piece of thing right here. It is very important. And this is the draw in MTK function, and that is that. Yeah, let me not go any further, but I just wanted to show you guys to see to get a better understanding of what's going on. You have to commit your command buffer, and if you want your work to be shown on the screen, you have to do present drawable, right? And this guy right here. So that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Just a quick one today.